Hello, I'm Pat Shepard, Senior Principal Database Product Manager at Oracle. Welcome to this edition of Data Basics, where we'll be talking about the Oracle AI Database, the database that powers the data side of the AI revolution. You've got lots of data, lots of demand to do AI, and lots of systems to stitch together. Does all this sound familiar? Well, let's get into today's session, see what we can do about that. Siloed databases slow you down. Most enterprises don't have one database, they have dozens. Operational systems, data warehouses, data lakes, SaaS systems, and then separate platforms for AI and analytics. Each system has its own tools, pipelines, and security configurations. The result is what you see on this slide. Siloed data and tools block AI from reaching production. Every extra system adds complexity, security gaps, and compliance risks. Teams spend their time stitching together parts and pieces instead of delivering value. There's also a huge skills gap. It's hard to find people with AI, ML, and data science experience. So, projects stall before launch. Cost and risks climb fast, and AI struggles to deliver real business impact. Oracle AI flips that picture. Instead of moving data to AI, you bring AI to your data, directly inside the database that already runs your business. AI, where your data lives. You integrate large language models, vector search, and agents right into the Oracle AI database. Security and compliant AI. You keep data in place and reduce risky data exports. Accelerated real-time insights. Because the AI runs next to your data, you can get near real-time answers and go from pilot to enterprise rollout in weeks. The bottom line, you deploy AI faster, simpler, and even more securely. Today's focus will be on the AI database itself. It's our AI native database, the next evolution of the core platform that you already know, now tuned for AI with features like vector search, RAG support, and integrated machine learning. Think of this as reinforcing the foundation, the engine where your most important data and workloads already live. We also recently announced AI App Dev. We're just introducing this here, and we'll cover it more in another Data Basics. We also announced the third pillar, which is the autonomous AI Lakehouse. This combines Oracle AI Database with open table formats like Apache Iceberg, so you can run AI and analytics across data that may live in multiple clouds and storage systems while still using Oracle AI Database as the AI native core. Think of it as one powerful AI database plus an open multi-cloud lakehouse to reach the rest of your data. We'll save the full lakehouse story for another Data Basics, but I just wanted to introduce that here. Move to AI faster. Bring AI to your data. Oracle AI Database is our long-term support release, the next generation AI native database, and Oracle's flagship database product going forward. It includes hundreds of new and improved capabilities across AI, performance, security, and application development, but all inside the Oracle database platform customers already trust. So you don't need separate AI silos. You move to AI by upgrading your database, not by rebuilding your entire architecture from scratch. To become an AI leader, you need the right architecture. Oracle AI Database is a converged AI platform for all data types: relational tables, JSON documents, vectors, graphs, spatial, and more. Everything lives in one engine. You can combine transactions, documents, relationships, and events in one single query, and then apply AI to that bigger picture. Why is this important? Well, one converged AI platform gives you the trusted insights, innovations, and productivity you need to transform both yourself and your enterprise into an AI leader. Here we highlight three key data types from the converged Oracle AI database. We have AI vector search, which lets you find meaning, not just exact keywords, across documents, images, and business data. You can combine similarity search with standard SQL filters and joins. Property graph views let you look at your data as a graph of nodes and edges. You can run graph algorithms and queries to find relationships, paths, and communities using data that's already stored in your database. JSON relational duality stores data in relational tables, but lets applications access it as JSON documents. You keep one copy of the data and get both the simplicity of JSON and the power of SQL and relational integrity. Together, these give you multiple ways to view and query the same data without multiplying your systems. Oracle AI Database has a long list of AI features, and this slide just shows a sampling. For example, we have in-database agentic AI, which lets you build and deploy autonomous agents that work directly with your data. No separate agent platforms or orchestration tools required. AI Vector Search. Native Vector Search lets you find semantically similar data alongside your business data. No separate vector database needed. Onyx integration. You can create embeddings right inside the database. Your data does not have to leave the database. Vector Search with LangChain. This actually highlights the fact that we have support for all kinds of different AI models and frameworks. You can see some of those here. Next, let's talk about how AI tools connect to the Oracle AI Database. Oracle AI Database is now exposed as a Model Context Protocol, MCP server, through Oracle SQL-CL. SQL-CL is our modern command line tool, which is similar to SQL+, but with more automation and scripting features. The SQL-CL MCP server exposes secure tools that let AI agents perform operations, query reports, and run queries on Oracle AI Database using natural language interactions. AI agents can run complex database tasks without expert help. They explore different solution paths, request more data as needed, and deliver faster, more accurate results. Oracle AI Database helps you simplify Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG pipelines. Traditionally, building a RAG pipeline means multiple steps and systems. Extract from a database, transform, load into a vector store, maintain pipelines, and re-implement security. With Oracle AI Database, you can express the whole pattern in SQL. You can generate the question vector using SQL. Perform vector search using SQL. Compose and run the LLM prompt using SQL. And finally, retrieve the LLM response using SQL. You simplify the RAG pipeline, reduce infrastructure, and keep data, logic, and security in one place. Select AI lets you use natural language to query data and get responses from generative AI, while the database handles SQL generation and execution behind the scenes. The key points are, you can enhance existing applications or build new ones with built-in question to SQL capability. You can choose from your favorite LLMs such as OCI Generative AI, OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, and Cohere. Queries inherit the security and authentication of Oracle AI Database so you don't bypass governance just because you're using an LLM. In short, people talk to the database in everyday language, and Select AI turns that into accurate, governed answers. Oracle AI Database has so many capabilities and features we couldn't possibly cover them all here. I'll just highlight a couple. Data domains and annotations. This is a way to label and describe data like email, credit card, PII directly in the database. The benefit? You have faster, safer AI and apps because every team and every tool understands the data the same way. Oracle True Cache, an in-memory cache managed by the database that serves read traffic high speed, so you get snappier applications and better scale without rewriting your code or adding a separate caching tier. Oracle SQL Firewall, a database-level firewall that only allows approved SQL patterns and connection paths. The benefit? You get stronger protection against data breaches like SQL injection or stolen credentials, helping you reduce risk and meet compliance regulations. The good news is we meet you where you are. If you are on 19C, we offer continued support and you can get ready for your move to 26AI. If you're already running 23AI, all you need to do is apply the release update and your instance now becomes a 26AI instance. So no separate upgrade and no application recertification project. Here's a real customer example. Sphere. Sphere is a deep tech company that helps governments, NGOs, and businesses with AI-driven solutions for compliance, governance, and operations. Their AI-enabled platform, OrgBrain, streamlines complex workflows and supports hyper-intelligent decision-making with greater speed and accuracy. Sphere runs OrgBrain on Oracle Autonomous AI Database, taking advantage of Oracle Database's converged architecture to accelerate development and boost performance. They've been able to build custom apps on OCI quickly, empower business teams to complete workflows in minutes instead of weeks, and save months of development effort by simplifying API access to autonomous database objects. This is a great example of AI running on the same trusted database that holds mission-critical data. Passive learning is important, but active learning can be so much more successful in actually learning something. So, if you'd like to put hands-on and actually try these capabilities for yourself, we've made it easy. You can start with Oracle Autonomous AI Database Free. A fully managed cloud service, Oracle handles the infrastructure. You focus on building applications. It's production grade in a free tier. Or you can try FastLab. If you want to learn quick, want guided tutorials, FastLab can get you the knowledge you want quickly. You can do a FastLab on AI vector search, JSON, or Select AI. If you want to build a Gen AI powered application, you can use Python to build RAG, vector search, and MCP agent workflows on Oracle Database and OCI Generative AI, and walk away with ready-to-adapt code. We've looked at how siloed systems can slow your AI down. We've talked about how Oracle AI Database can bring AI to where your data lives. We've looked at some features like vector search, JSON, relational duality, Select AI, SQL Firewall, etc., and how these give you the power you want and the safety and security you need. From a converged architecture to mission-critical capabilities and a real customer example, Oracle AI Database is designed to power your AI revolution in your organization. Thanks for joining this episode of Data Basics. I'm Pat Shepard, and I look forward to seeing what you build with Oracle AI Database.